Okay, so today we will discuss about conditional expressions. Okay, so conditional expressions means this one: case, coercive function, null if, greatest, least. All these are conditional expressions. So case statement means, so we can write the if else logic in our query itself. So that is case statement. Okay. So no need to write multiple if else blocks. Just we can use case statement so that we can write the logic, whatever we have written in if else blocks. Then we can write the that much of logic in case statement in query level. Okay. So we will discuss about case statement with example. This is employee table. Okay. So here I want to see, I will take three conditions. First one is 3 to 1000 salary, 3 to 1000. I call it as high salary, and 1001 to 3000. This is normal salary, and 3001 to remaining, whatever it is, that is, sorry, this one is low salary. Remaining 3001 to remaining salary we consider as high salary. Okay. So select star from EMP. So here I can write the case statement. Case when salary between 0 to 1000, then I call it as low salary. Okay. And when salary between 1001 to 3000, then I call it as normal salary. Else, my goal is I know the salary range in employee table 0 to 5000. Okay. So here I can write same statement here without else block also. Okay. 3001 to high salary. And at the end of this statement, here end as salary description. Execute this query. Choose salary greater than or equal to 0 and salary less than or equal to this one. So you can write 1001, 3000, 5000, 3001. See, high salary, normal salary, low salary. See here, some salaries are having null. Why? Because 3,000. See, 3,000 is having null. Why? Because in second case, second scenario, I have kept it salary less than 3,000, and the third one greater than or equal to 3,001. That's why 3,000 is remain null. Okay. So to avoid this, see, wait a minute. 1 3,000. So now we will get it. Okay, so 3,000 salary description is high salary. Okay, so this is case statement. Here, suppose if I insert salary of 6,000, then what will happen? Null will become. Okay, for that record, null will become. Suppose one more employee record will be inserted into this employee table. That employee salary is 6,000. According to our logic, thus that record will have salary description as null. Why? Because we have clearly mentioned that three possible cases: 0 to 1,000, 1,001 to 3,000, 3,000 to 5,000. Okay, so if it should not like that, so that we need to change here else. See, even though if you insert more than 5,000 salary also, it will be treated as high salary. Okay, so else block is mandatory. Otherwise, we don't know what type of records we may get in future. Okay, so that purpose we need to write else block mandatory. Otherwise, for some records, it may have null values also. If any one of the condition is not satisfied, then control goes to else block. Okay, and nested case, we can write nested case also. For that case, I want to take one example. So see here, different categories are there under the job: president, manager, salesman, like that. Okay, if the job is president, then I don't want to have salary description. Okay, so that case I can write case when job equal to president, then NA, else, and okay. Simply old logic I kept in else block. See, if the job is president, then we treat it as NA. Otherwise, for remaining employees, salary description is same. Okay, so this is nested case statement. Like that, based upon the requirement, you can write case statement. Okay. Next, coercive function. It will return first non-null argument, allowing you to replace null with a non-null value. That means this is the employee table. Okay. So here, please observe this. Under this commission column, we are having null values. Okay. So I am taking only commission before that salary, and here coLC function. If commission is there, I want to display the commission. Otherwise, I want to display 0 in the place of null values. See, for all null values, it is displaying 0. If commission is there, then it will display as it is. Okay, so replacing null value. See this. Replacing with a non-null value. Whatever you have mentioned, that value will be replaced. And return first non-null value argument. That means here, see, first record, what will be the commission? Here, this is very, very important function. First record value is null and it is 0. Okay, according to the definition, it will return first non-null value. That means it won't return null value. So this is null value. This is next 0 is non-null value. So that's why it is returning 0. And again, same. Again, here coming to fifth record, it is 1400, comma 0. Okay. So between these two numbers, which one will be the first non-null value? 1400. So it will be displayed. Okay. So this is the logic of coLC function. You can, in some cases, I want to display the commission. Okay. If it is null value, then I want to display the salary. In that cases, just write coLC of commission, comma salary. That means if coLC if commission is null, then it will go for salary. Otherwise, it will go for commission. Okay. So this is about coLC function. Null if function. Null if means, see the definition. Return null if two arguments are the same, allowing you to replace with a value with null. Okay. That means if two arguments are same, then it will return null. Otherwise, it will return first argument value. Like, for example, I am taking A, comma B. And the same thing, I am taking A. You can observe the difference. If both arguments are not equal, then it will return first argument value, whatever you have mentioned here. If both arguments are equal, then it will return null. Okay. So, for example, actually it will not be possible. Suppose employee table is there. So, if you want to know the details of the employee, which are having both salary and commission are equal, then you will write commission here and salary here. If that return null, then you can assume that employee is having salary and commission both are equal. So it will not possible in real time. Just for example purpose, I am telling. Okay. So that is null if function. And the greatest, it will return the greatest value in a list of values. That means select greatest of greatest value. That means if I give 10, 20, 30, so it will return 30. Okay. So, and next one is least. It will return lowest value among the values. Okay. So that is greatest and least, smallest and largest value. So this is about conditional expressions.